What is Object Relational Database Management System, ORDBMS? In the previous lesson, we have seen the Relational Database Management System in detail. Now we are going to discuss Objects Relational Database Management System. Before we get into the ORDBMS, I want my listeners to know, what is an object? In the previous lesson, we have studied data. Here we will see the meaning of object. The method of interacting data with data forms an object. Let's see the definition of object relational database. An object relational database, ORD, or Object Relational Database Management System, ORDBMS, is a relational database management system that allows developers to integrate the database with their own custom data types and methods. In this type, any application can be interfaced with the database, and the data is stored as an object in this database. In this database system, the object's information is converted into tables with rows and columns. The main advantage of ORDBMS is that it allows organizations to continue to use their existing database systems without having to make major changes. A second advantage is it allows users and programmers to start using object-oriented systems in parallel. Here is the difference between RDBMS and ORDBMS. RDBMS is focused on management of data, and it uses a limited set of data types. But ORDBMS allows the user to define their own data types. ORDBMS was created to support data types such as audio, video, and images. In ORDBMS, a query language is not necessary for accessing data from an ORDBMS, unlike the RDBMS. It is still possible to use queries in an ORDBMS, however. In this lesson, we have studied Object Relational Database Management System and its advantages over RDBMS.